Key Stage 3, welcome to this week's assembly. Hello Key Stage 3, I hope you are all safe and well and are getting the most out of your virtual sessions. I'm pleased to hear that many of you are being very interactive and progressing well. So Year 9, we're getting ready and we're very excited to be meeting you next week and next Sunday. And thank you parents in advance for helping with the transport for that. Those of you who are not in Saudi, don't worry, Mrs. Homsey will be emailing you so we can help you out with some of the CHEMS assessments. Then after that, soon after, we hope to see Year 8 in school in the small groups for safety, and then Year 7 again. We're going to try and bring you in as much as we possibly can in small groups. Now, one thing that is concerning, especially in the UK, and maybe for some of you, is that some of us maybe have put on a little bit of extra weight over the holidays and over this whole lockdown period. We're not moving around as much. And so during the live sessions, I've just got a little tip for you. It's a little app that I discovered and it's quite good fun. You need to ask your parents if you can download and subscribe to it and look at the online safety with this app. But I just tried it out and it is great fun. It'll get you moving in between the sessions, which is so important because we always forget. So I hope you enjoy it and I hope you can beat my score. Here you go, it's called Home Court. Enjoy. So here we are for Term 2 Positive Learner Awards, starting with Year 7 for 2 whole classes, which is really good to hear. 7FGJI and 7AHJG, both for an excellent start to the term, for very good behaviour and brilliant participation from everyone. That's so good to hear and really improves the learning. 7KMOA for great behaviour during computing. For the individual awards, this is for excellent effort in class, for being a very good helper during computing, and for submitting an excellent factual poster about Shakespeare. Well done, Year 7. In Year 8, for 8HPRH, for working deliberately in history on the Elizabeth I assessment. They acted on and implemented feedback, planned personal learning goals and collaborated with their peers. Fantastic learning opportunities there. For the individuals, for being very well engaged in French, for leading the discussion on an English novel study and just for a great start to the new year. Also for leading the explanation of loops during computer class. Year 9, the individual awards for answering all the questions that they were asked to do correctly in computing. For brilliant use of quotations for the novel study in English. For being engaged and very well prepared for the French lessons. For contributing to last week's assembly by sharing their New Year's resolution, showing commitment and bravery and maybe a bit of risk-taking. And also for a great participation in the Arabic live session.
Welcome everyone to News Round, I'm your host, Indy French, with the news for this week. Let's get started right away. Number 1. Local technology. Damam gets a new supercomputer, one of the most powerful in the world. Damam 7, the computer's name, has 55.4 petaflops of computing power. The project was built by STC and Saudi Aramco and is a great step in the right direction of technology advancement in Saudi Arabia. Number 2. Amazing news. A kid finds a chest filled with pure gold coins hidden almost a decade ago using poems as clues. The kid in Mexico found the coins buried in a mountain range. Wow, in total, the final amount was $4.4 million, and that's US. Wow. Number 3. Alien news. The mysterious metal box in Utah has disappeared, with no trace of it ever existing there. Many people believe it to be an artist's piece of work, as more have been found identical around USA. That's all for the news round for this week. See you next time on News Round.